Summertime means lots of refreshing snacks and meals, and today I'm going to show you exactly that. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a really quick, easy, refreshing summer snack using kiwis. I'm going to call this Kiwi Crostinis. And even though I don't have crostinis, you can use crostinis at home. You can use your favorite cracker, flatbread, anything really goes for the bottom of this recipe and snack. You need a couple of kiwis. Some pepper goat cheese is what I'm using. If you want to use maybe a cream cheese instead, if you're not a goat cheese fan, that works too. We need some fresh mint. I know I put my lime over here somewhere. We need a lime as well. And an optional little treat at the end if you would like. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is how to prep your kiwis. I know as a kid growing up, I saw my mom use a knife just to kind of cut it and then try to peel it and this and that. But I am telling you, using a peeler like what you use for your potatoes, what you use for your carrots, works really well on kiwis as well. Really well as well. Yeah, I'm a linguist, I tell ya. So just give your kiwi a peel. And be careful. I mean, obviously kiwis are going to be a little bit slippery and they're a little bit smaller than when you're peeling potatoes and such. But just get all that furry skin off of it. And then once you've done that, we can cut the ends off. Now we can continue on two ways. We can slice our kiwis into beautiful little slices. I think kiwis are so pretty. It's such a beautiful color. Woo, woo, woo. And you can stop right there. You can just do rounds like this for your snack. Or what I'm actually gonna do is cut them into little dice sizes because I'm gonna make it look a little bit more like a bruschetta on top. So you just pile your slices on. There are slippery little suckers, so be careful. Maybe don't pile too many slices. Let's just go with one. And we're gonna make little dice-sized pieces. So now that we have our kiwi all nice and diced up, I am going to take some of my goat cheese and just give it a nice little spread. And what I like to also do, which is like a little trick of the trade, I guess, is when I spread it, I like to kind of make a little placement holder for what I'm putting on so it doesn't fall off the edges. So I'm kind of making like a little boat shape, a cheese boat. It just honestly makes it so that everything stays in the center of your cracker and you're not losing all the deliciousness. I mean, come on, we're making this to eat it, not to pick it up from the floor. So I'm making 3 crackers for a snack today and I'm gonna do that. Woo, woo. And you can make a whole tray of this and serve it to your friends and family. This is a great little summer barbecue kind of snack or app to hold people over. All right, and my cheese boats are ready. And if you have a little bit of cheese left over, you just lick it off the knife very safely. It's a butter knife. It wasn't gonna cut me, don't worry. Otherwise, don't lick your knives, that's bad. Okay, next step. Let's get our kiwi onto our cheese. And right in the middle so that they don't fall down. I love making little boats. Okay, and you don't have to overfill it too much because I mean, kiwi's a little bit of a tart fruit, so you don't want to overpower it, but that's the nice thing about balancing it with a peppery cheese. You've got that creaminess of the goat cheese, you've got a little bit of that peppercorn flavor, and then all that juicy tartness from the kiwi. Woo, woo, woo. Such a summer little snack. I love this. Okay, we're getting there. I'm trying not to lose them, so I'm squishing them down into the cheese a little bit. So far, pretty easy. I'm gonna have a little leftover. 3 crackers might not be enough for my snack today. I might actually need 4 crackers. Whoa, Nelly. Okay, next thing we gotta do is just give these a little squeeze of lime. Just a little punch, a little citrus punch. Okay. Now, if kiwi is a little too tart for you and you need some sweetness, you can sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. A little drizzle of honey is really nice as well. What I'm opting out for is some sweet little pieces of coconut, sweetened coconut flakes. You know, the stuff that you bake with. I don't bake, so that's why I'm using it on this. It looks also so pretty. That's more why I like it, because I like kind of more savory type snacks, but because I think it looks really pretty to put coconut flakes on it, I wanted to use it. And last but not least, the only other thing you need is a little bit of mint. So I'm gonna use kind of the top parts of the mint so it's not overpowering, and I'm just gonna put 1 or 2 little leaves on each of my crackers. I don't want it to taste or feel like I'm brushing my teeth while I'm eating with mint. I just wanted to add that little zing of extra balance and flavor into our beautiful snack. And it's as easy as that. A beautiful Kiwi Crostini for a great summertime snack that's easy to put together but has a ton of fun flavor, and I mean, it looks really pretty too. That never hurts. Cheers, I hope you're having a great start to the summer and enjoying a lot of great outdoor time and a lot of great food. Till next time, hit that subscribe button and I will see you again soon.